As we proceed with SHOEPERFLY in Hawaii, my superheroes, I cannot tell you how excited I was to come out of quarantine and spend time with family in Hawaii. Taking in the sights, experiencing the island's culture and history, the street foods far outshining the restaurants, and of course, the shopping. I did Hawaii much differently this go round, pretty much exploring the entire island of Oahu, and while a headache getting into Hawaii with all the COVID requirements, it was one of the most peaceful and enjoyable trips I've ever taken in years. So well worth the headaches of the requirements. My superheroes, if you can escape for a minute, I strongly recommend going, as it is truly one place you can travel on just about any budget, and have the most zen time of your life. Shopping at Bloomingdale's, the upscale department store for apparel, accessories, and cosmetics at the Ala Moana Center, was indeed my most enjoyable shopping experience during my trip. The 165,000 square foot, 3-level department store is a key part of the center, offering a roster of brands, some of which are exclusive to the Bloomingdale's Hawaii location, including Boutique Moschino, Gucci, and of course Stella McCartney, who I of course copped. And get this, I was actually allowed to record, but was so engaged by the staff and experience after leaving exhausted by all the others that I pretty much forgot about recording. For 2021, Stella McCartney stays true to its youthful energy by incorporating bold silhouettes and branded details in its Gaia Logo Platform Espadrilles. Sitting on an audacious platform sole, the pair of slip-on organic canvas espadrilles featuring a logo print strap assure a recognizable look. Partnering with Good On You, an ethical agency that rates how sustainably brands perform across various people, planet, and animal welfare criteria. Take a step just about anywhere in these espadrilles with logo tape detailing for instant recognition and a comforted composition of 100% raffia lining, raffia lining, 100% rubber sole, ridged rubber sole, and 100% outer fabric for instant boasting with a straw midsole that begs for the hot days. The paneled organic cotton espadrilles here in a size 8.5 US in the color Camellia from Bloomingdale's at the Ala Moana Center in Hawaii retail for $467.27, including tax, but for $565.69, including tax, but not shipping in mainland US, and is offered in the additional colors of black and the color pink from StellaMcCartney.com, Farfetch.com, and Bloomingdales.com. The Gaia's crisscrossing logo woven gross grain ankle straps in black and tan with self-tie fastening, braided jute, and textile heel counter in black and tan with a textile logo patch and black faux leather trim at the braided jute footbed features blanket stitching in beige at welt, foam rubber platform midsole in beige and black, and a treaded rubber outsole in off-white with a graphic pattern in tones of black and beige. Now, with a platform height of approximately 3.1 inches, these espadrilles do sit a bit high, but fit true to size and comfortably enough for stylish periods of time, but no longer. As we all know, espadrilles are not the most comfortably composed shoes. Nonetheless, these savages are giving you the business, dressed up or down with a feminine but rugged stance. Certifiably SHOEPERFLY, and the savings of almost $100 coming out of Hawaii rather than the US just makes them all that much sweeter. What do you think? Here's a closer look at Stella McCartney Gaia Logo Platform Espadrilles. Until next week, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell so you can get a notification every time I post a video. Period. I'm out. Okay, wait a minute. I'm just going to do it again.